What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be messing with my MB Quart audio roof. I've made a couple videos on this, like installing it, my review, and then my re-review because it's pretty much junk. And it's gotten worse since the review. But this is the cheaper version. It has 4 speakers. And when I was fixing it, I noticed that the empty speakers have wiring for them, so I'm gonna put wiring in it today. Part of what broke is, you probably can't see that, but the mounting for it broke and all this was loose. So what I did to fix it is drill holes through the roof and just put a bolt in it and some silicone to keep it from leaking in there. I hate this roof. It's got some issues. As you can see, it broke over there too. I do really like the Pro Armor light bar, but you cannot buy just the shell from Polaris, which is dumb. The roof's $1,500, which is ridiculous, I know, but you pay all that money, and these things are known for idiots to drive them, like me I guess, and flip it over, and then it breaks and you're fucked. So I'm just going to show you how to hack it today. So here are the speakers I bought on Amazon. We're going to put them in, and I'll leave a link to them below. They're Rockford Fosgate, so maybe they're good, maybe they're not. You won't be able to tell how good they sound through video, but I'll let you know. So here they are unboxed. I saved you the trouble of watching that. I think we're gonna not need these grills, but that's the speaker. That's the back. You guys might know more about that than I do. It comes with some wiring, some screws. There it goes. Hopefully I don't even need the wiring. Hopefully it'll just hook right up. Don't have to do anything but plug it in and screw it in. And hopefully they sound good. So I guess I'm gonna do that real quick now. Couldn't find where I set the camera down. Anyway, I'm gonna skip the boring part of showing you installing it, because there's literally 4 screws and 2 wires. It hooked up, screwed up, perfect, like it's meant to be. These speakers seem like they sound pretty good. I mean, it gives it more bass, and I only got just 1 speaker in, so definitely worth the modification if you have this roof. Unfortunately, if you do, I'm sorry if you have issues with it. Anyway, you may not. Maybe you won't flip it like an idiot like me. But anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. I do all kinds of videos on this thing, you name it. If you got any ideas, leave them below. If there's anything I could have done differently, leave it below. Argue with me in the comments, because I like to argue with anybody. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Follow me on Snapchat, and peace out.